Out to the pandemic and new restrictions announced today in New Jersey, while in New York, Governor Cuomo announced plans to fight the growing surge this coming winter.
The increased number in cases is not just happening in the tri-state area. The United States reporting now more than 4 million coronavirus cases in November. That's double the record set last month. And as cases and testing lines grow out of control in Los Angeles, the city just issued a stay-at-home order banning most gatherings there.
We've got every angle covered for you tonight. Dr. Max Gomez with information on Moderna's vaccine. New info tonight. Meg Baker with the latest on gatherings and youth sports in New Jersey. But Marcia Kramer begins our team coverage with Governor Cuomo's winter plan.
We're going to do holiday celebrations. We're going to start to have meals together. The families coming back together for the holiday season.
He played a little Christmas music, even hummed a few bars, and likened COVID to the Grinch.
The COVID Grinch sees this as the season of viral transmission.
But Governor Cuomo was all seriousness when he said his biggest worry, as infection rates continue to mount, is avoiding hospitals being overwhelmed like Elmhurst Hospital was last spring.
We learned from this nightmare, and we're going to correct for the lessons we learned during this nightmare.
The governor ordered hospitals throughout the state to identify retired nurses and doctors who can fill shortages, add 50% to their bed capacity, and develop a flex and surge plan to spread patient load among hospitals in the same system like the city's health and hospitals. As the numbers rise, many are concerned the governor will close gyms and hair salons and end indoor dining. Is it time to turn the valve a little bit more in terms of indoor dining, gyms, beauty salons?
The valve no longer controls the spread. When we started, the spread was indoor dining, large social gatherings. The spread now, over 65%, small, at-home gatherings.
But while he didn't announce new restrictions, they will happen automatically if he declares more mini-cluster zones after the full effects of the Thanksgiving celebrations are felt within 10 days. Do you expect to name more red, orange, and yellow zones?
My belief on my crystal ball is the Thanksgiving number is going to be big, and it hasn't come in yet. If that's the case, yes.
Governor Cuomo also said that if things continue to get worse, there was the possibility of another New York pause, which is another word for lockdown. In Manhattan, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.